Yo, what's up? I don't know if you saw my last video, but I got pulled over in that video. So today we're gonna be adding the speaker right here to the system. So I use the kill switch I use for that on this. So that way we can avoid tickets, because I ain't trying to be paying tickets right now. So that's the plan. Alright, so we have our kill switch at. We're gonna have to pull it out though, so we can wire the other wires to it. Yep. So I took this thing off, and my plan is to put this kill switch right here. You can see it in this hole. See it? Now I just gotta wire it up so that way when it's like that, it'll look better than having it right here where I used to. And I actually got this thing off without breaking it, surprisingly. Alright, so this is how I split the wires. These ones are going direct together, and then this is where I interrupted it. So I have these two right here split, and this is going all the way to the kill switch, and then this is coming back from the kill switch right here. So I have it going all the way up there, going around, and then I gotta tuck that in still, and it's gonna come in here to the radio, and then I have it right here. And I already tested it. Play the music. So you can hear it, and then hit the switch. And then you hear nothing. So now you just gotta put everything back in and tuck everything in. Alright, normally I would use electrical tape to cover up all these wires, but I don't know where any's at. And I know we had one somewhere, but I'm constantly losing that thing, so probably just gonna use this duct tape. That's what I've been using for everything else lately, so we're gonna tape all the wires up with this. It should work, all the same. I go to the store and we get like 2 more switches to separate them. So I already got that all installed and everything like that, if you want to check it out. And I wanted them to stick out, so I got these big red ones, but I didn't have another wire so the light can go on. This one right here is to the base, and this is the speaker outside. So I don't think it looks professional, but I like it. Now I can open and close this right here. Now I just gotta finish tucking in the wires and put everything away. This is how I tuck the wire in. I just push it to this crack. That all the way goes all the way in, and then you don't see it no more. So I find this easier to do than trying to take the whole thing apart. All the wires all tucked in, so you can't see nothing now. We got this piece back on right here, so it's back to normal. No wires, no nothing. The only problem now is just my car is dirty. Woo. I'm gonna have to get that clean. And we got these. This is only temporary though. Eventually I plan on getting a whole new radio, and then when that happens I'll probably try to do a more professional install on this. We got some suspension over here. This suspension right here goes to my GTR. I haven't told you guys about that yet. You know, it's a classic one, as you can see. Now I'm just playing. This one goes to, I think, a car like that one over there. but we're not keeping it. I'm not too sure where it's going or what's happening though, but something's happening with it. They're here to pick up the stuff. Just talk to this guy to see if there's gonna be enough room between this car and my car. And he said it didn't matter if he hit my car, as long as they didn't hit his. You believe that? Ghetto, man.
We don't care about that car.
Yeah, no one cares about your car.
We just care about this one.
Yeah, we're.
I don't know if you want it. No fit. Make it fit. I don't care if you get this car, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
With the wraparounds on that. Don't you put them on? The wraparounds.
And I went crazy. Yeah. And he was like, and all my friends were like, you're never home, you know what? I was like, what the heck? I want to be home. I was just home.
Yeah, you're gonna fit up on
You know? I go be able to work for so many years, you know? And these kids were like, you can have the rest and stuff too.
What you need?
Well, I that was like far away. Joey, you're supposed to go back on him, he's gonna get hurt. This ain't entertainment. Hold on.
I believe in him.
I said, good, go help him. Every time one more back,
You're gonna have to tilt.
Pick up the dog.
What do you mean? Like this?
Yeah. Slide it up.
Alright.
What I do for a living.
We gotta.
Don't worry if you hit the car, man.
I don't want to. No.
Just don't hit this one. Hit that one. It's close. Okay. I'll grab for the block.
Just not the classic, just not the classic.
Huh.
Yeah.
If you want to just pick it up,
Yeah, we can pick it up.
just slide it over there.
Oh, he's on YouTube. Fixed it.
Since she's trying to be on the internet. She's trying to do that stuff.
No, she was playing her music. Well, I left my phone there.
Do you want to pick it up or just want to slide it over?
Pick it up. Are you sure?
Thanks, Joey. You're the man.
You're a great help, Joey.
You're a great
Yeah,
help,
you sure?
Joey. Oh, that thing just landed on your car.
For real?
Yeah.
What hit my car? It didn't hit my car.
You're just messing around with you. No, somebody else. There it is.
What do you know about that, Joey?
Everything.
Huh?
Everything.
Not for everybody. Anybody can handle this.
Who's it for then?
You know what I mean?
No.
So, it's antiguos in the making.
In the making, he says. The struggle. Oh. That's the battery right there too. That's tight. That's tight. Yo, so this is the end of the video. I would like to say we got a lot of stuff done, but I don't think we really got too much things done. But over this week, I get a lot of things done. I got like, what, 3 weeks until I go home. So I want to say in 2 weeks for me and the car paint it no matter what, you know what I'm saying? So we'll be pretty close to getting it done. And on the grill, we're almost done with that too. Pretty close.
Hi there.
So
Welcome to your Monday
most of it's already
night,
cut out.
Memorial Monday, the kickoff of summer.
We just got to fix it a little bit
Not the official
and get it on the car.
but the unofficial. Everybody.
Hopefully by next week we'll have this done
Shoes, not the
and the roof. This guy's slacking on it. So if you guys are wondering why it's not done,
Because this is the road builder. The other guy's just walking with the camera, making it look good. This is the guy just doing the road work. Where are you going? I wasn't done. I'm done now.
Memorial Day Monday night together. Thank you for being here.
some lies. This car right here, he bought it. He didn't build it. Just so you guys know, it's bought, not built.
And the hate begins.
This car too, it's bought, not built. That's why it's still in the garage. Now these are struggles. You want to tell how you built your car? How long it took?
What?
You want to tell them how long it took you to build your car?
To buy it or build it?
To build it. Alright, he got no comment about his cars, but he bought this one. 17 G's I think. But he's trying to get it repainted. Taking too long. He built this one. He said he scrapped a bunch of cars to build it. He has 2 more in the back. I don't know if he's building them or scrapping those 2, but I think he's building one of them and he's using one for parts. But that's this guy's built. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. There's gonna be a lot more builds coming soon. My builds mainly. You guys won't be seeing any of his after a couple weeks anymore.